At least 17 people have died and over 100 others have gone missing following unceasing rainfall in Andhra Pradesh, as per reports. About 1,544 houses were damaged, 3.4 hectares of agricultural fields were inundated, and hundreds of cattle have been killed, reports added. Speaking to Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has promised all help to the state. Amid speculation of a cabinet reshuffle, 3 ministers in Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot-led Rajasthan government have written to Congress interim chief Sonia Gandhi offering to quit their posts and work for the party. Revenue Minister Harish Chaudhary, Medical and Health Minister Dr. Raghu Sharma and Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasra have offered to quit, Congress General Secretary Ajay Maken said. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi handing over the first indigenously made Light Combat Helicopter or LCH to the Indian Air Force, state-owned manufacturer Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is looking at delivering 150 units to the armed forces. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Chairman R. Madhavan told India Today that the organization is looking at a total order of 150 light combat helicopters and can provide the 15 already ordered by the Indian Air Force within a year. Madhya Pradesh's Indore has been declared as India's cleanest city in the above 1 lakh population category for the 5th time in a row at government's Swachh Survekshan 2021 awards. Surat and Vijayawada have been ranked 2nd and 3rd respectively. In the less than 1 lakh population category, Maharashtra's Vita was ranked 1st, Lonavala 2nd and Saswat 3rd. Ahmedabad ranked cleanest mega city. The coronavirus disease pandemic seems to be rearing its ugly head in Europe as Austria has already announced its plan to reimpose a full lockdown, while neighboring Germany has warned it may have to follow suit. On Friday, Austria reported 15,809 fresh infections, an all-time high, prompting the government to announce new restrictions. It will be Austria's 4th nationwide lockdown. Meanwhile, a 4th COVID wave has plunged Germany into a national emergency, and vaccinations alone, according to Health Minister Jens Spahn, will not cut the infections, he said. On her 46th birthday, actress Sushmita Sen took to social media and penned a note saying, "I feel reborn this birthday in more ways than I can describe. Letting you in on a little secret, I completed Arya 2 and then traveled to address my health. Had a successful surgery on 16th November and I'm healing marvelously every passing day," Sushmita Sen said. The United States has called for China to provide verifiable proof of whereabouts of missing Chinese tennis player Peng Shuai and that she is safe. The 35-year-old hasn't been seen since early November when she alleged that China's former vice premier Zhang Gaoli sexually assaulted her. United States will continue to stand up for freedom of speech, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said.